Let me tell you guys something. Let me lecture you guys. If you want to say you are rich, it's not by your body, oh. It's not by what you buy for yourself, oh. It's not by, see, it's not even by what you buy for your mommy that they will say you are a rich person. Let me tell you something. If you buy it from your mommy, they will think say it's out of say because she don't take care of you from small, she don't do this for you, she deserve her. That one and normal thing say you buy car for your mom. But if you buy car for your girlfriend, that is how they will know if the guy is rich. It's not that you buy for your mommy. When I buy, see, my mommy, now Toyota, my mommy want to. Now Toyota, 9 million naira Toyota.
For 2026, bro. For 2026. For 2026. For 2026. This boy, you mumu. I swear. You mumu. This boy, Peller, you use 1.5 million naira to buy car for your mama. You go carry 150 million, go buy car for woman. For girl where you don't know the color of her pants. Bro, I sorry for you. I sorry for you. Because of you, Peller, I come Lagos 2 times just to go advise you as a friend and a brother. But you look down on me. You still pass back, go beg the same girl, go carry money, go buy car for the girl. Because you want to bring me down online. Because of you, people they mock me on social media. Geh Geh, people they tag me to your videos since yesterday. I they shame for me to even come online because say Geh Geh, see people with their advice. They don't do the opposite of your advice. The same advice when I give you now, I give Kata Efe. See today, Kata Efe, I tell you, Kata Efe, dump your baby mama now. He dump her, post it for her face, and today life they progress. The same advice now I give you, but you look down on me. That Jarvis of a girl, I'm giving you 24 hours, Jarvis. Number one sign say woman go bring you down. Now when you don't raise the giver and she not they give anything in return. If you be best when they watch this video now, before God and man, mention one thing wey Jarvis don't do for Peller before. You can never see anything wey that girl don't do for Peller before. When iPhone 17 Pro Max Ray come, Peller buy 2, he give one to the girl, give one to himself. Even Valentine's Day, you dey see the way this boy they always they appreciate this girl. But show me one thing wey you feel mention wey Jarvis don't do for Peller before. He not there, you can never. That girl, you know they say for where beautiful things not there. Now only beautiful things they see that girl. You can never see her for where beautiful things not there. Now only you like beautiful things, abi. That juju wey you use for that boy, I'm giving you 24 hours. Go release that boy now. Because this thing not be ordinary and again, bro. I not believe again. This thing not be ordinary and again. This thing not be love. This thing na juju. Na juju. You use juju for that boy, yo. Sure, na juju. Peller value Jarvis past his life. You know that if they tell Peller today, say between Jarvis and your life, choose. Peller go choose Jarvis over a life. What a life. Now, the worst thing we go feel happen to you as a man, now to carry woman for head. That same girl when you they carry for head, they cry, they follow. When you say I don't feel do without this girl, I don't feel do without this girl. Now another man one night stand. Now so life just be. That girl not really special like that. No girl is special. Now you don't glorify that girl for your head. You they glorify her for your head. Now for your head, they give all the glory, all the credit, all the beauty. Now for your head, it they happen. Physically, if you really get honest with yourself, you go really know say if you come out with you the picture for your head and the girl for real life, she not really be that person like that. Now so life just be. Now today, go be the last day where I go ever make video to advise you again. Now today date down. Today is 2nd March 2026. I don't go ever advise you again. Any day, anything will consign you. Anything will consign you. Anything will consign you. I don't wash my hand come. I want my body and my soul come from anything will consign you. I will never make video to advise you again. On the 10th of March 2026, this month, me and you won't play match. And that day I will show you what it takes to be a man. Because Nigeria youth they live life the way it favor them. Geh Geh, I bet send me money now. You know, I never beg you money before. And the first time when they ask you for money, be this. So because you ask me for money for the first time, come means I must get the money. I never asked you money before. And the first time they ask you for money, be this. So because you they ask me money for the first time, I must get the money to give you for the first time. Not try me. Small play wey very dark man and kick me she dey play for online. This guy take her personal, she carry ipo go drink ipo. You get locks in and play, you dey play for devil for you to take practice doggy.
My mommy, na Toyota my mommy want to. Na Toyota, 9 million naira Toyota. I buy that one for my mommy. My mommy still complain say na Toyota 9 million. Wey be say she go fit repair, but I say we no go give her problem. Na him she want. I say I give her that one. If I go post Toyota, I say I buy my mommy Toyota that time. You know the way internet go drag me. With all the money where this boy dey shop. Na Toyota I buy mama. Bro, I buy my mommy 20 million naira car. Na sense. Imagine these days, if I say buy that thing for everybody go want craze. Everybody go want see you see your girlfriend. Which one be God will punish you as you are. Let me ban you from coming to this live stream. Is it my girlfriend? It's my wife. Where you go know? Now my wife, oh. Now my wife be that girl. Now my wife. I know they use her the joke. See, most people, see guys, I have on my TikTok, I have 4,000 something blocked. I have 4,000 something, 4,000 blocked now because of my baby. I'm telling you facts. Where you know. Some olori buruku when they no contribute to the success, they go dey complain say that they give me say I go use that they buy car for woman. Now thunder go fire you. If you not support me and I buy something for my lady and you are putting out and you are talking down on me, God will punish you. The real people wey support person God, they know they talk. So Yahweh ready. Now poor boy you go dey talk. Fool. Maybe don't worry, you try. Maybe you.
Hey.
Double.
God made me miracle.
Double. Man, they tell you something. They play. I will not even encourage you. I will not motivate you. Go cry. You go cry yakata for you. And they tell you something. They shout. They tell you say you don't lose.
Where is the 20th universe say you drop for me?
Are you eh? What do you say? What do you say now? Look at me. Where is 20 universe? Which kind of talk with that one?
What is this?
Come on for there. What is this? He beats you. No concern me again. Zombie, where is the 20 universe?
Is it 26? You know 18 I see before.
What's it going to concern us?
What's the problem?
You know concern me, Joe. Which one be where the 20 universe is? You like the card? You like the card? When on you buy fuel. You don't buy fuel for that car.
You don't buy me for a month.
Why buy you fuel again? You are mad, my nigga. Why you talking like this?
Toolsloaded.com.
Now my money won't shop with my baby. Yes. Why you gonna talk say my buy fuel day after I buy motor?
It's my birthday.
It's your birthday. No, give me.
Tomorrow I'll buy fuel.
See,
Don't
this one,
send money for fuel, I beg.
How much? One hundred now.
$1 million for
Ó sọ pé mi ra fuel sí car again.
Hello. Kò lọ fún ọ̀nà.
Mi ra fuel
you.
again.
My baby cannot go put for inside.
Go on.
Why you wicked?
Ẹ nà. Èló ni o lè
I
wá
love
kó.
you.
Hey man, how they talk that they will fight you. You dey use net dey rock me. Na net, John. You know they fit me. Now they give me premium song. Maga Kiria, Uja with it. Ogoro sugar man.
Carding app. Thank you for that giveaway wey you sponsor yesterday. Na God go bless you for me. You know understand. Thank you for putting smile on the faces of people. If you never download Carding app on your phone, download them now. You know understand. When you download, you stand the chance to win $50 weekly if you use my promo code Geh Geh in capital letter. You know understand. And also, Carding app is the best app to sell your gift card. God bless you. One love.
Like and subscribe.